Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to reset Premiere Pro to default settings. Once you have opened any project you have in Premiere, let's go to the Edit tab at the top left part of Premiere, go to Preferences, and let's open up the General Settings. From here, you should be able to see the Reset option beside Help, so you can hold the Alt key on your keyboard while you click on Reset. And this reset options window should show up, and we can click on reset app preferences to check it, and we can also clear media cache files to delete temporary files, and this can also help with improving the performance of Premiere Pro. So resetting the app preferences will reset the customized appearance and behavior of Premiere Pro. If you want to do that, just go ahead and check it and click on OK and OK once again. And you have to restart your Premiere Pro to continue with your reset options. And that is how you can basically reset Premiere Pro to default settings. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.